Welcome back to It Started with Sawdust. Today, we do a test with the Kimo 20-volt impact driver. So let's dive into some testing. But I need to add a side note here. We did a pre-test and the very first screw at medium speed killed the quarter-inch quick release chuck. Yup, that spring popped out. Shall we continue? Absolutely. A funky chuck will not stop from testing. Let's see how fast we are with the first screw, which is 8x200 no. Almost 11 seconds. Not bad for a 2-amp battery. According to Kimo, the impact driver got variable speed up to 2,800 RPM and high torque up to 221 foot-pounds. Get ready for the last one. Squeezed the juice out and ended up around 13 seconds. Tool and battery are pretty much done for today. The Kimo completed 21 screws with one 2-amp battery. This concludes today's hardcore testing with the Kimo impact driver. What are your thoughts on this? We prepare a few more tests with some Makita impact drivers. That should be fun. Thanks for watching and see you next time with It Started with Sawdust.